What's up, juice lovers? Welcome back to another exciting episode of DIY Delights. Today we're diving into the world of fresh, homemade fruit juices. Today I'm bringing you a classic American fruit juice recipe that's both healthy and insanely tasty. This juice is a staple in many American households and cafes, known for its vibrant color and refreshing taste. You've probably seen it in cafes and brunch spots across the US, but today we're going to show you how easy it is to make this delicious drink right in your own kitchen. Let's make it at home. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never want to buy store-bought juice again. All right, here's what you need. A couple of juicy oranges, crisp apples, sweet strawberries, and a splash of zesty lemon juice. These fruits are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making this juice not only tasty but also super healthy. And a splash of zesty lemon juice. The lemon adds a tangy kick that balances the sweetness of the other fruits perfectly. Optional, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup if you like it sweet. These natural sweeteners add a depth of flavor without the need for refined sugar. Got that? Perfect. Now let's get started with the preparation. First things first, slice those apples and remove the cores. Apples are great for juicing because they add a nice sweetness and a bit of body to the juice. Next, peel your oranges. Try not to eat all the segments before they make it to the blender. Oranges are the star of this juice, providing a burst of citrusy goodness. Hull the strawberries, just pop off those green tops, and juice that lemon. Strawberries add a lovely color and a hint of berry flavor, while the lemon juice gives it a refreshing zing. Fresh lemon juice makes all the difference, trust me. It brightens up the entire drink and enhances the flavors of the other fruits. Now toss everything into your trusty blender. Make sure your blender is powerful enough to handle all the fruits and give you a smooth consistency. Add about half a cup of water or ice to keep things cool and refreshing. The water helps to blend everything smoothly, while the ice makes it extra refreshing, especially on a hot day. Hit that blend button and watch the magic happen. Look at that color. It's like liquid sunshine in a blender. So vibrant and fresh. Makes you want to dive right in, doesn't it? The natural colors of the fruits are just stunning. Pour that liquid sunshine into a chilled glass. There's nothing like a cold glass of fresh juice to start your day or to enjoy as a refreshing treat. You can strain it if you prefer a smoother drink or keep the pulp for extra fiber. Your call. Straining the juice will give you a clear, smooth drink, while keeping the pulp adds more texture and fiber. Feeling adventurous? Let's take this juice to the next level. Try adding a handful of mint leaves or a bit of grated ginger for a twist. Mint adds a refreshing coolness and ginger gives it a spicy kick. Or swap in some mango or blueberries for a fun variation. Mango adds a tropical sweetness, while blueberries give it a rich, deep flavor. The possibilities are endless. You can mix and match different fruits to create your own unique juice blends. And that's it, America's beloved fruit juice, straight from your kitchen. So easy, so delicious. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to make such a tasty and healthy drink at home. If you love quick, tasty drinks like this, hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more juice and coffee goodness every week. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to tap that bell icon so you never miss out. We've got plenty more delicious recipes and tips coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy juicing. Enjoy your fresh homemade juice and have a fantastic day.